All right, YouTubers, DIY weed killer. Check it out. 1 gallon of vinegar, 1 cup of iodized Morton salt, or whatever, the fine grained salt. That's the one you got to get, 1 cup, and 2 tablespoons of either Dawn or Suffragant. Suffragant will stick longer on the plant, but Dawn is useful. I've done a lot of plants with the Dawn and it works. So that's all it is. 1 vinegar, 1 cup of iodized salt, 2 tablespoons of Dawn or Suffragant. Check it out. Here we go. I've put all materials inside this 1 gallon sprayer, and I'll leave a link for it for Lowe's in the description below to find it and get it. And it only cost under $16, not including tax, but to get it out the door. So good deal. Good deal, 1 gallon. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna shake it up now. I've got all my ingredients in there. We're gonna shake the biscuits out of it for 1 minute. All right, I got my test subject here, and we're just gonna go deep in the center and give it a good spray. Our 1 gallon sprayer, I'm gonna put that in the link, just like the white vinegar, just standard store-bought white vinegar. Okay, now I've got the roots kind of saturated there. Then I'm gonna go back and spray the plant itself. There we go, spray the plant. And if it stops spraying, just shake it some more. It's the salt kind of patching up in there or binding up, so you just need to shake it a little longer. But once you get it spraying, it's all good. And then that's it, that's it. We're gonna check it tomorrow, and we'll take a look at it, and we'll probably give it a secondary spray, probably, I don't know, a couple hours from now. Just give it another one, shot in the center, shot around the plant itself on the leaves, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. So let's check it out tomorrow. All right, YouTubers, look at that. It is tomorrow. I did shoot it about 6 to 7 hours later. I gave it a good saturation, just like I did the first time. And this puppy, that looks pretty dead to me, man. And this is Dallas grass. This is some bad stuff. Now, what I like best about it, I'm not really wearing any long pants or anything, because I'm just dealing with vinegar, salt, Dawn, and a good sprayer, and that's it. So I'm really not worried about getting ruined by glyphosate or whatever, or anything else that I use on this lawn. And this stuff is great. It seems to kill it really well, and it doesn't come back, and the lawn can recover in just a couple of weeks, not until next year, because glyphosate just kills the ground for a while. So check it out, give it a try. I think you'll like it, and it's super dirt cheap. And I'll leave everything I used and used here and bought on the description below where to get it. So good luck, God bless, and it works for me.